chicken field, and also that white chicken is actually a bug eater, and it is also a chicken. And all those ducks are chocolate running ducks, and they're really good at laying eggs. And also, those chocolate running ducks look like they're black, but they're actually brown. And their beaks are maybe brown, but it's really black. But actually, they're actually a little bit purple, and they're brown. Actually, and one of those chickens can fly. It's just that big chicken over there. You see that big chicken, but it's not bigger than the ducks, but it can fly a little bit. Not really all the way, and I kind of closed the bottom of the cage up so it won't fly out. And one of those ducks, I named that duck. Maybe we can. If you want to call him Peachy, you can call him Peachy, because he got that really peach spot on his beak. And also, those ducks, if they bite me, it does not hurt, because I like them biting me and it tickles. And they don't have a sharp beak; they have a kind of flat beak. And also, one of those chickens are really red. It's that small one, and that chicken is eating food. No, it's not eating food anymore. And he maybe got the fat butt. And that white one got the fat butt too. The white one is really good at catching bugs because it's a bug eater. I just said it's a bug eater already in the cage. They're at the hot spot, okay? They're at the hot spot. The other side is the cold spot. We won't look over at the cold spot. And also, I made a little house for them, and they can't go in that house. The hole is small, so they can't get inside that house. And also, that tall chicken likes to stand on the house. That tall chicken, I know. And I maybe think that tall chicken is a boy. And these ducks grow faster than the chickens. And also, there's 3 ducks, 3 chickens. So there's 6 ducks and chickens in this this cage. Okay? And
Hi ho, the dairy